Hi, and welcome to another Power BI series video. In this video, I will show you how to create a Python visual in Power BI. First of all, go ahead and add Power BI Python tool, and then if the script is not enabled, go ahead and enable it. Once you do that, go ahead and resize the Power BI Python visual tool. All the columns that you need for the plotting. In this case, I will be plotting the gas volume, and of course, for the x-axis, I will be selecting the time as days, and make sure that it's set to do not summarize since we want all the data points. Now, the next step is actually to start writing the plotting function. So the first thing we will do is we will be writing the PLT, which is coming from the matplotlib library. And once we do that, it's now time to create the scatter plot. You can go ahead and create any plot you want. So for the y-axis, we'll be adding the gas volume. And for the x-axis, we'll be adding the time in days. And once everything is done, go ahead and decide on the size of the scatter. So let's go ahead and use the size of 50. And of course, you can also decide the shape of the marker. So we'll be using the square shape. And also you can decide on the color. We will be using red for this instance. And just go ahead and show everything. Once done, click on the run button and you should get a Python plot. Thank you so much.